If your AI-generated videos look buttery smooth in the preview, but when you try to edit them, it lags like crazy inside the editing timeline like this. Actually, there is a hidden reason why your AI-generated videos don't perform smoothly. Well, it's not your PC's fault, it's because AI tools like Runway and Pika export highly compressed HEVC format, which is not suitable for any editing software to handle in real time. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you a real fix with simple ProRes conversion method even beginners can do in just a few clicks. With Wondershare UniConverter, you can get access to a variety of conversion formats with batch processing efficiency to make your edits smooth and suitable. Simply open Wondershare UniConverter and at the top you will find the converter feature. Just click on it and after that import your video file here. As you can see, our file format is HEVC MP4, which is good for viewing but not smooth for editing. Click on the format selection option and here you will find a bunch of conversion formats, but we need ProRes for smooth editing. So now click on the editing tab and here you will get some advanced formats like this. Simply select the ProRes format and choose the resolution quality as per your preference. So I will keep the same resolution here. Then enable the high speed conversion toggle for ultra fast speed. You can either convert a single file or take advantage of batch processing to convert multiple files at once. Just click on the Add Files button and import your files in batch. Now you will notice all your files automatically set to ProRes format, saving you a lot of time. After that, select your output folder and any additional settings and hit the Convert All button. Now all your files are exported and converted into ProRes format, and here is the example of before and after conversion. Wondershare UniConverter handles these kinds of tasks very smoothly and converts video professionally. And if you are a freelancer or creator, you should definitely try this out. Check the link in my description.